वागातोर IBWची 10वी आवृत्ती 8 डिसेंबरासावन दबाजान सुरू झाली। इंडिया बाईक वीक आणि TVS मोटर सेल 2 दीस चलतलो। बायलांकय वाटो घेवपाची मेकळीक दवरिल्ल्यान बायलांमदी उमेद पातळ्ळ्या। वागातोर इंडिया बाईक वीक आणि TVS मोटर सेल 8 डिसेंबरासावन व्हडा दबाजान सुरू जाला। 2 दीस कार्यावळ जातली। पहिल्या दिसा हजारांनी बायकर्स आणि बायकिंग मोगी एकठांय जाले। CEO आणि फेस्टिवल संचालक मार्टिन दा कॉस्टान पहिल्या दिसा IBW हाजीर आशिल्ल्या बायकर्सांक येवकार दिलो। मोटरसायकल चलोवप्या खातीर रोमांचक क्लब खेळ आयोजित केल्ले।
First edition of India Bike Week in 2013, and he wears it every year for the opening of the festival. This man is very passionate, and we've given him a ton of deodorant, so you can come and hang around with him. He's lovely, and thank you, Martin, for introducing us to this wonderful family, for bringing India Bike Week to all the bikers out there. And one thing is very clear: if you don't have the right partners, you don't have the right support, nothing this grand can happen. And only when you have the right people coinciding with you and with your ideas and with your passions can you make such amazing things happen.
Thousands of motorbike apparel brands, motorbike brands. The day I was there, I think there must have been 85,000 people just in the morning, on a Thursday morning, to be at a bike festival. And, well, you know, is that the future for India Bike Week? You know, 70, 80,000 people in Goa? Maybe. You know, at some point that's going to start happening. Now, have we been, you know, what Tanush wanted me to talk about is how important India Bike Week has been to the development of biking culture in India. And I don't know. Have we? I mean, I know that every year we've done the festival, it's grown. More and more people have come to this festival and gone out and bought a bigger bike, a better bike. More and more people we're meeting that are doing overland trips, that are you know, using their motorbike for adventure, for independence, for travel.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गावकार, गौतमी गावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।